The Alfa Romeo 4C is a small, lightweight, rear-wheel drive sports car, similar in size to the Alfa Romeo MiTo, that is available in coupe and spider body styles. It uses a carbon fiber tub, front and rear crash box, and hybrid rear frame mainly out of aluminium to keep its weight at 895 kilograms, 995 kilograms in the United States and 1025 kilograms in Australia. The 4C is the first mass-produced Alfa Romeo car to re-enter into the United States market. History Alfa Romeo 4C concept Alfa Romeo 4C concept is a two-seater, rear-wheel drive coupe copyright with technology and materials derived from the Alfa Romeo 8C Competition, with 1750 turbo petrol engine with direct injection, the Alfa TCT twin dry-clutch transmission, the Alfa DNA dynamic control selector. The 4C concept version unveiled in the 81st Geneva Motor Show in March 2011, followed by Mille Miglia 2011 Parade, Goodwood Festival of Speed 2011, 2011 Frankfurt Motor Show. It was displayed first time outside in Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este in 2012. Compared to the production version, it's very similar, with the biggest differences being front lights, side vents and mirrors. Awards The Alfa Romeo 4C concept was voted the most beautiful concept car of the year award by the readers of German magazine Autobild, and won the Autobild Design Award 2011. It was awarded the Design Award for concept cars and prototypes by referendum of the public in Villa d'Este. Launch The production car was unveiled at the 2013 Geneva Motor Show, followed by 2013 Essen Techno-Classica, Goodwood Festival of Speed 2013, Moscow Raceway, 2013 Frankfurt Motor Show. The Bare 4C000 chassis was also shown at the 2013 Geneva Motor Show. Ordering of European models began in October 2013 at Alfa Romeo dealerships in Europe. Marketing As part of Alfa Romeo 4C launch, Alfa Romeo Style Center and Compagnia Ducale designed a 4C IFD bicycle, inspired by the Alfa Romeo 4C Coupe copyright. The vehicle went on sale in December 2013 and marketed in Europe, Asia and America. Production of 4C began May 2013 at Maserati's plant in Modena, with an expected production of up to 2,500 units per year. It will be the first mass-produced Alfa Romeo car for re-entry into the U.S. market. Production of Alfa Romeo 4C was originally estimated to be over 1,000 units per year, with an upper limit of 3,500 units per year, depending on the quantity of carbon fiber chassis that can be built by the supplier Adler Plastic. Within the 3,500 unit quota, 1,000 units of which are earmarked for Europe. Delivery of European Alfa Romeo 4C Launch Edition took place at Bellocco Test Center, with vehicles delivered to Pierluigi de Silvestro, Philippe Walk, Carlos Diniz, Aldo Mariani and Stefano Zanotti. Specifications Body and chassis The car was designed by Centro-style Alfa Romeo and developed by Alfa Romeo. The chassis is composed of a central carbon fiber tub, with aluminium subframes front and rear. The carbon fiber tub is produced by TTA in Arola, as a joint venture between Adler Plastic and Lavorasian Materiali Compositi. The carbon fiber components that make up the chassis are cut using CNC technology. The chassis of the car weighs 65 kilograms, and is a single carbon fiber body, similar to the body of many supercars. The outer body is made of a composite material which is 20% lighter than steel. The stability is comparable to steel and better than aluminium. The 4C employs double wishbone suspensions at the front and McPherson struts at the rear. The resultant weight distribution is 38% on the front and 62% on the rear axle. Wheels and tires have different diameters and widths front and rear. 205/45 are 17 front and 235/40 are 18 back as standard, with optional 205/40 are 18 and 235/35 are 19. Both wheel options come equipped with Pirelli P0 tires. The 4C uses vented disc brakes on all wheels. Brembo 305 mm on the front and 292 mm on the rear. The car can stop from 100 km per hour in 36 meters. To save weight and increase steering feel, the 4C has no power steering. Powertrain and performance equals. The 4C uses a new all-aluminium 1.75L 240 horsepower at 6,000 rpm's inline four-cylinder turbocharged engine. The engine has been designed for minimum weight, and will probably also appear in the 159 replacement, the Giulia. The engine's CO2 emissions are 157 grams per kilometer and combined fuel consumption 6.8 L/100 km. 0 Euro 62 miles per hour. Acceleration is achieved in 4.5 seconds and the top speed is 258 km per hour, the power-to-weight ratio being just 0.33 horsepower per kilogram. Journalist of the Quattro Orologe car magazine demonstrated how the 4C accelerates from 0 Euro 100 km per hour faster than 4.5 seconds. In race mode, with left foot on the brake pedal, if you pull the right shift paddle the engine will rev to 3500 rpms, but if you also pull the left paddle the engine will rev to 6000 rpms and 0 Euro 100 km per hour time will go down to 4.2 seconds. Alfa Romeo has also confirmed a new 1.8-litre, 300 picoseconds engine, which may appear in the 4C. Italian car magazine Quattro Orologe published the lap time of 4C around Nürburgring. It lapped the ring in 8:04. The 4C is equipped with a 6-speed Alfa TCT dual dry-clutch transmission, and can be operated via gear shift paddles on the steering wheel. It also has an Alfa DNA dynamic control selector which controls the behavior of engine, brakes, throttle response, suspension and gearbox. In addition to the modes already seen in Giulietta, the 4C has a new race mode. Models 4C Launch Edition equals. The 4C Launch Edition was a limited and numbered edition, unveiled at the vehicle's launch at the 2013 Geneva Motor Show. The vehicle came in a choice of 4 paint colors. 400 examples were reserved for Europe, Africa and the Middle East, 500 for North America and 100 for the rest of the world. Distinguishing features of the launch edition were carbon fiber trim, rear aluminium extractor with dark finishing, BLED headlights, dark painted 18-inch front and 19-inch rear alloy wheels, additional air intakes on the front fascia, red brake calipers, racing exhaust system, BMC air cleaner, specific calibration for shock absorbers and rear anti-roll bar, leather fabric sports seats with parts in Alcantara and a numbered plaque. Alfa red-colored cars got matching red stitching on the steering wheel, handbrake, mats, handles and sports seats. In Europe the vehicle went on sale for €60,000 including VAT. North American version equals. The US version of 4C was introduced in 2014 New York International Auto Show and the first 100 4Cs will be shipped to the US by late June or early July, with a total of 850 to be shipped by the end of this year. The US model includes extra bracing and strengthening required to meet US crash regulations, resulting in 100 kilograms weight increase. This version has also new headlamps similar as seen before in 4C Spider version. Alfa Romeo 4C Spider equals. The Spider version of the 4C was previewed showing a pre-production prototype at the 2014 Geneva Motor Show. Sharing its engine with the coupe copyright version, the 4C Spider has different external parts such as the headlights, exhaust and engine hood, as well as a different roof section that features a removable roof panel. Alfa admits it has had to make some strengthening tweaks to the 4C to cope with the removal of the top, with the net result being a 45 kilograms weight increase. In the US, the weight difference is listed at only 22 pounds, however. Top speed is quoted at 257 km per hour and acceleration at 4.5 seconds to 100 km per hour. Novelty to 4C range is an option of yellow color for Spider. Awards. Worldwide awards the Alfa Romeo 4C has received include Performance Car of the Year 2015 in the inaugural Association of Professional Motoring Press Car and Van of the Year Awards in Ireland. Joint overall Best Car Award in the Sunday Times Ireland Complete Carrier Best Cars Guide 2015 and Best Driver a Euro Unregistered Trademark S Car under a 75,000. Most Beautiful Car of the Year 2013 at the 29th International Automobile Festival in France a Euro with 41% of the votes, ahead of the BMW 4 Series, Mercedes-Benz CLA, and Mazda 3. More than 100,000 votes were cast in more than 50 countries. Import Sports Car category in the Automotor Unsport Best Cars 2014 Awards a Euro barely edging out the previous winner, Aston Martin Rapide S. Best Sports Car 2013 inches under the Compact Supercar category by El Economista vote. Readers of AutoZeitung named it winner of the Sports Cars Imported category of the 26th edition of Auto Trophy with 17.2% of the votes a Euro beating out more expensive models like the Aston Martin V8 Vantage and the Jaguar F-Type. What car? Reader Award for the most exciting car to be launched in 2013. FHM magazine named it 2013 Car of the Year. Motorsport. Ontario, 2013-09-12, Alfa Romeo 4C driven by Horst von Saumer completed the NA1 Quarter-Nürburgring Nordlift circuit in 8 minutes 4 seconds, breaking the speed record for all production cars with engines under 250 horsepower. Alfa Romeo 4C has been used as official safety car of the SBK Superbike World Championship since the 2013 season. Notes. External links. 4c.alfaromeo.com, Alfa Romeo 4C Australia, official page Alfa Romeo 4C Facebook.